Hey YouTube, this is your boy Magnificent and Zion, part of the Magnificent 12. We're going to be changing this interior door handle for any 07 through 14 Chevy. And I'm going to leave you in his confident hands. So, we make the streets louder.
We're changing it because there's this door. If we take it off,
there. So
okay. Because this right here.
Hold on 1 second.
This right here, it keeps popping off, and that's like where you open the door. And
that can happen because we broke it when we were trying to remove this piece. So you got to be real careful. It still works kind of, but it slips off periodically where you can't open the door. So, so step one, go ahead and remove the door. You easily do so. You can peel off this, or you can use the panels just to pop these clips off. And once you remove the door, you lift up, just set it. No, just set it kind of on here. So there's still holes in there. Watch for the holes. Nope, go to your left. You don't want to take the whole door off. You just want to set it in there.
It's supposed to sit like that. So just lift it up like that, and that's how you get it off.
Excuse me.
And
you have two options. You can go ahead and, if you don't have custom speakers like I do, just go ahead and remove the speaker harnesses and you're good to go. But in this case, we're just going to leave it on there. He's going to wedge everything, and he's going to just go ahead and take it from there.
You just got to take off this this screw on this one, and then
these are 7mm screws.
Once we're done with this, we just pop it out. And then we can just pop it out.
You got here, here, and here holding it in. Kind of wedges it in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, see, pass that first one. No, I'm using that, see? Pops it out, just like that. Broken, right here. New one, always compare to when you get something new. Whoops. All right, notice the difference. Keeps it in there. So here, this one is real easy. And I'll just stick it in. It's too big. Uh-oh. Oh, dang it. It's the wrong one. Darn it. This is for the driver's side.
Okay, we went ahead and got the right one that fitted, and so because the other one was too big, and so we just gotta get it.
There it is, perfect. Here are those clips. Means it went in the places that it's supposed to perfectly. Let's take a look at this. You can back it up a little bit so people can see. All right, go ahead. I'll hold it here. One here.
Oh yeah. So I suggest doing it with only your hands first, because it's easier. Get both of them first.
Notice how it keeps it straight, right? Mm-hmm. Is it going in?
And then we gotta get the screws in. And make sure you do it probably by hand first, but use the socket because it's steadier. And then once you got both of them in, secondly, the rest of the parts are easy.
Now, it's the easy part again. Pull this, goes in here. So this little ball is going to go in here. Pull the wire through, and boom. And now we're good. So test it. Perfect. So now we'll put this back. Always like to do this first. Nope. Places. There it is. Gap is gone. Gap is gone. Down here. Down here. Done. Oh, perfect.
So probably the hardest part about doing this in turkey is making sure you have the right size and probably holding the door. When you're holding the door, hold it with your knee, because if you let the pressure go on one of the plastic nails or whatever they're called, then it will break.
Nice.
Please like and subscribe and comment down below if my puppy guys work on you. Minecraft 12 signing out.